Hi, I'm Serena. This is Jason. We both have full-time jobs, neither of us travel for work, and we always dreamed of seeing the world. I think we're a typical American family, but we have a passion for traveling. I hope our channel shows you that traveling with kids and juggling life is possible and so worth it.
Today, we're getting stuff, and we got some blueberry pancakes with syrup. And now we're walking to a nice place. See?
We're doing perfect timing. Look at that guy. Perfect timing. Shuttle's here. Here, you're with me, Bubbo.
Okay.
Here's a map of the Island Explorer routes. We just got on here at the KOA, and now we're going to travel all the way down to here to Bar Harbor Green Village. Then we need to get on the green bus and go down to Sand Beach, Thunderhole, and I'd also like to hike the Beehive and check out the hole. It's day 3 of our trip. I feel like it's been a long trip already, but I wish you guys would just trust me. It's gonna be fun. It's gonna be a good day. We're gonna do some awesome stuff.
You're welcome. Have a great day, guys.
All right, we want to get on number 3 at 10 o'clock.
I like Maine.
I know.
It's much greener than New York. Give me some pennies. Yeah, there's no one comes to.
I hope so. Too much of a wishing world for wonder.
I found one. You found one. Make a wish. Okay, I made my wish. Okay, come on. I made a wish, but I can't tell you. Because I am secretive. Also because I can't.
Bus number 2.
This 5 gets a beautiful.
Oh, wow. I don't know if this one can handle it. Can you handle the hiking today? Promise? You can't ask Daddy to carry you.
Oh, I am.
Alright. Our park badge. We haven't even started the hike and they're just climbing, enjoying nature, and I love it. This is what it's all about. Lily, you can go in and go potty. You want me to go first and you can hold my hand?
Mommy and me are climbing up this.
Don't wanna sleep in, cause I got something to prove. I gotta take what I hate and finally make a move. I think of you and all the shit you don't do. Well, I'ma make hella sure that I don't become you. I have no regrets, yeah, I'm tired of my chest. I'll never forget what it's like to be in debt. Been stabbed in the back bed.
I found blackjack.
You did?
I'm saying, sure, Mom, I found the present.
Oh, you did? Dinner.
Two games, let my money show. I've got these things that I can't let go.
Best purchase I think we've ever made for the kids. We're on their nice hiking boots.
Feel this pain, you already know. Turn that to games, let my money show. I've got these things that I can't let go.
Oh my goodness, let me see. Oh yeah.
Really? I'm so
Let me correct. That would look pretty cool at high tide though.
For the things you know you love. Do what you think is right. And see life do what you want. So fight.
Oh yeah.
And die.
You're solid. You got these really nice hiking boots.
Do what you think is right. And see life do what you want. So give me all the scars, I'm a human being. Cover them with tattoos so you can't see. Knew it from the start, you had problems with me. And the things I could be, I just wish I had seen.
You know how to walk downstairs?
Yeah.
Do you?
I don't need help on
So the kids are very complaining today. Everything out of their mouths. I don't know how to get kids to not complain while on vacation. This is amazing. What do you want?
shorts.
No, darling, I did not bring shorts with you.
Let's roll them up.
Or with us.
I'm not rolling them up. They don't look that kind of.
I want shorts. I'm too hot. I'm thirsty. I'm hungry. They just don't stop.
Mama.
I don't know if I want to go in full sun.
I don't. And I don't really want to get all sandy. Well, I fail again. I didn't bring swimsuits. I thought the water was too cold to swim. Oops. Oh, good. Tick warning. Know what's a shark and what's not. And careful of curtains. And beware of seagulls. Can you get my hat wet?
Yeah, I will. Good?
Oh, yeah. Oh, that's cold on my head. I found a shady spot. And that is the Beehive.
I've pitched to Ray a little bit and they seem to be on board.
Did you give him
So
the
here's the deal. Mommy wants to hike up this thing called Honeycomb.
Beehive?
Beehive, whatever.
Way off.
Way off. So it's uphill and it's going to be a little warm. I can't have any complaining. Is it something you want to do?
Yep.
Sarah Jewel, what's it called again?
Beehive.
Beehive. You want to climb? It's hiking up. It's going to be warm. You're going to be all right? You can't ride on my shoulders. You got to do it.
No, hey, no complaining. What?
Okay.
Okay. High five.
What does this do?
High five. Don't leave me hanging.
What does this do?
You too. We got this. Full trail, Beehive Trail. Total, it's like 1.6. So it's less than 2 miles. You guys will be okay. No, get down here, you. Get down here.
Off you go.
Alright, because there's more rocks to climb over there.
Oh,
Oh, yay. On the Beehive. Alright, let's go.
Where you at? There you are.
The Beehive is that way. Ow. There's Blaze. Good girl. Aw. Oh, look, we're here. We've arrived.
why do you have to? Every time we hike. She does this every time we hike.
Take your back, Bob, smile.
Lily, or Clara, slow down.
Call me a Lily?
Yes. Well, you're running like Lily. Hold on.
Yeah, this is the complaining that we talked about.
I have an ache in my back and I'm old.
Get in there. Oh, you know, this is a very beautiful spot too. Look at that. Beehive Summit.
Trail steep with exposed cliffs.
Oh my really careful.
Careful, please.
Smile, honey.
A good one.
Oh, this is great, huh? Yeah, you're on the Beehive.
Mom, I can see the water.
Yeah. Clara.
Whoa, look.
What are you doing? All right, you be careful.
My bed. I'm
Okay.
gonna put my pillow right here as my sweater, and I'm gonna get
Nice. Chicken and rice. Rice and chicken. Close it. There. And we wait 8 to 9 minutes.
Place to sit.
All right, there's a 10-second timer. 10. Aw, that's such a good one. Look at that. Well, we sure make ourselves at home, don't we?
Here, we're in a sweatshirt.
Nope. 3 more minutes. Should we check it out?
Oh, there's one. Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! Dude, what was your problem?
Oh! I wonder if it smells our food.
Dude,
I feel like I'm gonna get attacked by a bird. What kind of bird is this? I heard the seagulls are nasty here. Yeah. Oh gosh. Sarah, you look like seagull food. Go to Daddy.
bye. Here's
I think Mama made soup. That's my guess. But damn, that hurts. Okay.
Sure brought spoons.
Well, a little heavy
Why is this a fork?
because we didn't bring spoons.
How is it? That was a yummy lunch with a view.
Has anyone jumped down this with a parachute on them?
What would make you think of that?
Someone could have a parachute.
She wants to
on.
jump off.
I'm concerned.
I kind of do too. I want to feel like what it's like to fall from a very high height. It's an experience that I would like to take.
I was just asking if somebody jumped down a mountain with a parachute.
But the fact that you're 5 and you think about that, I'm a bit concerned as well.
I don't know. I want to feel like falling from a very high height.
This is my fault
Seriously.
entirely. Daddy is not a thrill seeker, but I am.
I seriously
All right.
would like to jump off
Let's
the cliff
go,
and feel
guys.
it.
We'll see you at the bottom.
Come on. We're gonna climb down, catch the shuttle, and go back into town. I took the long cut. I want drama, right? We see the road. Thank goodness.
I see the light.
I didn't think we'd make it out. Jason got us lost.
However, this was Mommy's idea, so ultimate blame lies with
We're just messing. It was fun. We had fun. Didn't we have fun, guys?
Oh, yes, we definitely
yeah.
did.
No,
Fun.
Yes.
Can we pick up a knee brace on the way home?
Yes.
I gotta ice my ankle later. We made it! Oh look! There's a welcoming crew for us. All these flashing lights. No, that's not for us. We passed a woman on the trail. It looks like she broke her ankle. A lot of people had to come up. Oh, that's for the woman with a broken ankle. And that's gonna be a rough one to bring her down. A lot of rocks. Very steep.
My legs and my feet and my bones and my hair and my head. Oh.
Love you. Go on. Just hopped on the shuttle and now we're gonna go to Bar Harbor Village.
Hi, video.
You got there, sport?
2 scoops.
What?
It's called the Dude.
The Dude?
The White Russian.
The Dude tastes good.
Oh my.
I keep sliding.
Yeah.
Where are you guys
Clara had
going?
to go potty badly. And off she goes.
Steady.
Yes, child.
Can we go wait in line for the piano to be open? Oh, wait, just like wait.
We are waiting. Tired, I just had a cappuccino. And I haven't hiked like that in quite some time, so my legs are sore. Getting old. See?
You can sit. Well, that was fun, huh, guys? Everyone's just exhausted, except for Clara.
I'm not gonna get eaten by mosquitoes.
No? How come?
Huh?
How come?
Did I look?
Just got back to the KOA. We're gonna go to the camper, eat some dinner, and then just relax the rest of the night. Probably go to bed early. You right there, old man?
Yep.
You sure?
So far, so good.
Breathing pretty heavy.
Yeah, well, I've really let myself go.
Daddy.
What happened? Did I run a Majestic?
I got some tough kids.
You got tough kids?
I got tough kids.
And I'm one tough kid?
Yep.